Hi everyone, Nancy with our-treasured-home and welcome back to the channel. And as I promised, I would do an update on the Hobbii yarn that I bought and everything. In my opinion, if I liked it, if I didn't like it, what the difference is and everything. So, this is, it said an 8/8. So, it was supposed to be a number 8 with the yarn of 8, which was like 8 strands together. So, I thought it'd be a little bit thicker. Yeah, cotton, but it's not. It's really thin. Y'all can see that. And I made a face scrubby. If I had done the actual pattern, it would have been half this size. It would have been like only this big. So I had to keep going to the size I wanted it. So there is a difference because I have like other. So here's a cotton yarn that we have. I've used, and there's a difference. And look how thin this is compared to this thickness, and I'm just like, I just don't like it. So it's nothing against the company or anything. It's just my opinion. I don't like that yarn. It's too thin. It's too, my hands just don't work well with and it ended up being a number 2 yarn, and I thought it was a number 4 yarn. So that's why I got it, because it was, you know, 8/8/8, whatever that was. But the supposed to be the thickness of this is not as thick as this one, and then it ended up being a number 2 yarn, and I don't work with number 2s but yarns because my hands just can't work with that small of a yarn. So I just like, I wanted to show y'all the difference between what they're, and they've got other ones on there and everything. I'm just not going to buy again from them. I mean, it's probably a great company and everything. They've got some pretty colors and everything. So maybe later on, after the first of the year, I might try something different. Because my daughter-in-law and I saw some yarn, some colors that we liked. But I don't know. I'm not happy with this. And there's other one that's sock yarn, and that's kind of a thin yarn too, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, I definitely read carefully, because you know what you think you're getting, what it is. It's two different things. Well, so thank y'all so much for watching. If you haven't, like, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications, and we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home. And you know, I try to make it more than 3 minutes. Okay, so we'll wait. We'll count down. And there we go. It's 3 minutes. See y'all later.